why I'm using the red one, because the red one will bind into the metal.
Yeah.
Feel bad for my little 64.
You're not playing it? Oh, man.
I clocked 100
Yeah.
lights on.
You got it? Okay, thank you.
Them cracks.
Thank you, sir. Oh my God, it's down the canyon. All right.
Timer cleared.
Here we go. I saw it too. I don't know why I turned into it.
Gear up.
Excuse me. Sorry about that. I like to sneeze out in the open. Came out of nowhere.
All right, taking off from the left to the right.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, it does. No, because it's got that under-cambered wing. Okay, I'm doing low and slow from the left.
Time remaining 1 minute. Seconds.
All right. I'm bugging my ear.
Watch that. Okay, thanks, Ramon.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Maybe I'll make him kind of move.
3, 2, 1. Time expired.
I got to see it right out their window.
This is okay.
How much time you got, Ray?
Plenty. You'll be in before I am, so I'm...
Coming in from the left.
One minute over.
Full blast.
Ah, fucking bug right in my ear. There you go. Don't forget that car's there. Okay, I'm gonna try a low and slow again. Everybody down? Okay, I'm gonna do a fast one from the right.
It's coming in. It's fast from the right.
2 minutes.
All right, I'm gonna come in, and then you guys can go up.
Yeah, the car moved forward about 2 car lengths.
Okay, I'll land way back there. I'm okay.
Yeah.
They're not. They won't be in my way.
Alright.
Gear down.
No, I wouldn't worry about it. I'm fine. Don't do it for me. I'm okay.
They're just dropping tires off. Don't worry. They'll be gone in a minute. Yeah. They just gotta dump some motor oil out. Don't worry.
I don't know. They're probably just watching.
Spectators. It's a good spot to watch. Right in front of the
They'll figure out as soon as they hit something. Oh, there's helis out there too.